Hello friends, Amy study level konin chibay. Tuni topic discussion ding Manipur GK Amy pawai part 8 na chui hlung tawin. Part 1 to 7 no ki botan avenai lohon zong link description akan koyin. Na lu no wan avet ki thewin avet sa hom zong revision time ading an avet ki thew hi. Hiji kan bolo na chu Manipur GK bon cha dewa phachum nang ading ang phachum ki ading ang phachum hin. Kipa men pon thota atu ni chan gia hin vejing le hin support like subscribe like comment hin bol tho chunga kipa thu ka sayin maban ma jong ne hin bol jing di min jong ka in team in hi a hi le dang sei dam dawin question answer lut ke taute question ke panas pen hin how many districts are there in Manipur bayin it's easy one here so ke de gin sa ne hi option A B C D 9 ham 10 ham 14 ham 16 ham correct answer chu le option D 16 district home Manipur atu tu hin cho chui le Bishnupur choi na ki bethe hi a hi le ban chalu tin okay next question Manipur la dinga governor masapen chu koi ham Manipur da governor masapen chu option D mamai chang hi B K Nehru hi tu tu adinga governor nu hi 18 na som get channa hitan ama sorry le nasma heptula hi governor nu hi nasma heptula next talutin question during the reign of which king in Manipur the first telegraph line and telegraph office were established Manipur leng koi pu phat songa chu telegraph line le telegraph office chu anaki phut do amati hi correct answer the correct answer is option A Maharaja Chandra Kirti in 1886 ama phat songa hi Manipur la telegraph line alung hi song le hedi khat chu ama phat songa hi le shi chunga World War 1 ano min hi Manipur lang tong khan hi chi World War 1 chun ai le ban chalo tin aban question chui le option who of the following Manipur kings was popularly known as Garib Nawaz king hindi dan chi sorry chi king de koi Manipur leng la koi pen chu Garib Nawaz tan ki option A Medingu Pamhem Bam B Makit ham Kula Chandra ham Chandra Kirti ham correct answer chui le option A Medingu Pamhei ba ma hi Manipur da Garib Nawaz kol temin kya min hi ama hi Manipur la dinga Hinduism hin pulut na ama hi hin pulut masa pen jong ti ding hin iti kuma hin pulut nam tila 1717 ai Hinduism sa khwan lut hin kolte cha chu min Pamhei ba Medingu Pamhei ba kona Maharaja Garib Nawaz hong kya me it's important hi remember it well okay then let's move to the next question who hoisted the tricolor for the first time on Indian soil on 14 April 1944 at Moirang 14 April 1944 Moirang chu koi pen hin India flag tricolor hu phu masat penam ti India dinga option A B C Subhash Chandra Bose ham Colonel Shaukat Malik ham Captain Vijaya Lakshmi Sehgal ham Mohan Singh correct answer is B Colonel Malik Shaukat mi kim khaden Subhash Chandra Bose ta gin mo amni kyang kana gin mo hin yong le atha google aga vetna le Subhash Chandra Bose lawa Colonel Shaukat Malik to nahi nahi ama hin Subhash Chandra Bose kolam kaini na so hinan hi jong la ama hin ama lam kaina hi gal na ko yamoi ranga ana ki kap to ba India flag yong tundo hi Subhash Chandra Bose in aman ana phudo thinu mi chu Hindu hin azad kiti hin azad force kiti oi le ban chalo tin aman question sei na choi le INS Imphal, which was recently launched at Mazagan Dock, chi hoi lai ham, Mumbai ao mi. As a memory of Battle of Imphal, 1944 was INS Imphal ki dikhat 1944 gel do na Mazagan Dock cha na kit thien so chu ipiham ti A na hin supersonic fighter ham, anti ballistic missile ham B na hin, alu le gal kung ham, kung gal sa na kung ham, D na hin teng ham ati. INS Imphal chu ipipen ham tile option C na he warship gal kung gal kap na kung he. Ichi hi tu tha jani dunga chung ki thien so hin ichi hi missile guided missile destroy missile kap ki na kung he. Ichi hi INS Imphal ki project 15B Navy on India made in India project achi khat na hin chi hi naval ship mo a ship riu hi ni chi project athumna India INS Imphal thumna hema sapian ten ni chu koi ko ham tele INS Visakhapatnam INS Mormugao jawa hi INS Imphal ki sim he 1944 gal in moi ranga cha gel do na ship mo hi tua naval chief chu ko ham tele Admiral Sunil Lanba he chang hi important ki dongjing khat nei ji chen email chi apata he Sunil Lanba ai la ban chalo tin question na saina choile who among them got the Rajiv Gandhi award in 2018 Rajiv Gandhi chol a sang pen chu ko ham option A Jeremy Lerunga ham Saiko Mirabai Chanu ham Hima Das ham Mary Kom Jeremy Lerunga hi mizo ho hin weightlifting chapang chakat na hi wang weightlifting 2000 Olympic Games champion la hin gold medal Saiko Mirabai Chanu ma weightlifting mama hin Hima Das sprinter hin Assam ho hin Mary Kom Manipur chi boxer hi Itolai Rajiv Gandhi 2018 sang chu ko ham 2019 nai lo chi 2018 important akan do he Itola sang pen chu option B Saiko Mirabai Chanu amahin Rajiv Gandhi award chu anaki santa sport lampang award na hin Iji Rajiv Gandhi 2019 sang chu ma se loven mi khayangom kin he ma chu Virat Kohli cricket na min thang pa ho ma to he na kisan khom in hi hi le ban chalu 10 next question say na chun the center has constituted a tribunal to adjudicate matters related to extension of ban imposed on 8 insurgents groups in Manipur for 5 more years. Who will be the head of this tribunal? Manipur la thingnui mi gate hi cho ki ben na chung chana hi apalaya din lo le sepe ho le government le thingnui mi ho ki ka Manipur la thingnui mi go ma pripa UNLF ki ti ho hi cho ki ka thu sei tu ding alo la vai hom tu ding up adjudicate ki ti ju vai hom tu thu sei tu ding a pang di chu koi pen ham ti tu tham kum nga ding a tam nga ding a ki hang do ki ne he chu koi pen ham ti le chol a option GS Sistani ham Hima Kohli ham S Ravindra Bhat ham DS Muralindhar ham chola correct answer choile option A GS Sistani ai ama sa pena an chima sang ma khe ma sang je ma just ar ke ka ana pang chu justice segal hi important hi kimel cha fata hi ban chalo tin question sena chun who is the brand ambassador of BSNL brand ambassador chu kaham tua option A B C D ki pikin in chola chu Sachin Tendulkar cricketer paham Saina Nehwal ham Mary Kom ham Hima Das ham chola hi BSNL brand ambassador chu kaham itile correct answer is option C Mary Kom hi on 4 September 4 2018 ni chun Mary Kom chu brand ambassador ading in kum ni tam adene ki thang dot dai tu ta chairman le director apang pen chu BSNL an direct apang Anupam Srivastava hi Anupam Srivastava kimel chi bu Mary Kom jong ambassador of tu ta Rajya Sabha member jong hi Mary Kom hi a hi le ban chalo tin States which the Tropic of Cancer passes is it's all I he koi pen koi state he Tropic of Cancer kiti line lay sin I lum hin a lai pena chi hu equator kitin chi hi chung pai Tropic of Cancer kitin Tropic of Capricorn noi pai kitin chi Tropic of Cancer la Tropic of Cancer la India hay chỉ pa hay ho pa hay chỉ lại koi state hay to kham tile Punjab le Arunachal Pradesh ham Karnataka le Andhra Pradesh ham Manipur le Bihar ham Tripura le Mizoram ham chola correct answer chu option D Tripura le Mizoram hi hi chola hi China vet theo hi line khat hon ki in chi line hi Tropic of Cancer le ti chi to kha chu mani India hi state gate tong kha na hi chola chu Gujarat Rajasthan Themat Nongkhai Madhya Pradesh Chhattisgarh Jharkhand West Bengal Tripura and Mizoram India Manipur anui chakhet na achi na hi le ban cha lo tin chi who introduced polo sakol kangjei in Manipur da sakol kangjei kiti sakol chunga leiwa mola song hati chu yu hin chi Manipur akon hong ki pudo hin tun le set pum pia chi tan min chi pi tan hi chi koi pen hin pu do ham option A Ibudo Marjing B Garib Nawaz C Koremba D Thayan Thaba chola hin pudo pen chu option A Ibudo Marjing in Manipur polo sakol kangi ki chen pudo ne hi amana hin pudo chen ti than lakpun hi jong le koi pha songa chu hi chi hi hung khang dom polo ki chim hina chi penam ti le king khayam ba le king khagim ba songa 16 15 16 17 century nga hin anak lak in hi ana ti ana ki ha chip in hi margin chu polo game pathin tin nong tu na ki he na hi chan chu in loi teo ki pai chan gya na hin vet lon pon tho ta na hin vet ki jiwi na chung chi wa ki pa thu ka sayin ba nai bo de thing like subscribe comment nim bo ki win ki pai